Hey guys. So it's been a minute. Yeah, so this is kind of a weird video. I don't really know if anybody is actually watching or cares. But if there's one person out there that does, this video's to you. I just wanted to kind of loop you guys into like a quick life update, really, more than anything. I know it's been a little bit since I posted, and I wanted to let you guys know that I haven't forgotten about you and that I haven't lost my drive to make videos and to build my channel. I just kind of got caught in a really weird living situation. Basically, my boyfriend, Gabe, and I were in the process of moving, and we found a new place and everything was good to go and really exciting. And then as soon as we moved in, we actually realized that the entire place was infested with termites, which I don't know. I've never had termites before. I didn't know anything about termites, but I realized that they swarm, and that's how we found out. So we literally had like moved up our entire house into this new house, and we're like all excited, everything's going well, get everything into the truck, like we did it all on our own, got everything into the house, and then I left for the day just to like go to Walmart and grab some like things for around the house. And when we came back, there was literally like hundreds of bugs on the floor. And we had no idea what they were. At first I thought they were moths, and I was like nervous because I thought that like my clothes were gonna be infected with moths and like our food that we had just brought in. Turns out they're termites. And then we look into the walls and like they are literally eating through the drywall. So I can't say this company's name because I like literally signed papers saying that I wouldn't complain about them anywhere, which is like kind of sketchy. So I can't say their name or anything like that, but yeah, they definitely scammed us. This was like over the weekend too, so of course like they didn't have office hours, and so we like had to pick up everything, rent a storage unit, get like all the furniture out of the house because like we didn't want our stuff to get infected with termites. So we went and stayed with my mom for a few days, had to move everything back out of the house into the storage unit, and then from the storage unit, it's in the storage unit now, but then we had to move all of our stuff anyway. So right now we're staying with Gabe's family, and they're gracious enough to keep us until we figure out kind of what our next step is. But yeah, we're just kind of in a weird, I guess, crossroads where we thought we wanted to move to an area that was kind of closer to family, even though it wasn't like our dream location. I thought that this would be a good kind of happy medium for us. Just to give you guys a little bit of background, right now we live somewhere that's pretty crowded, a lot of traffic, and we were just kind of looking to move somewhere more quiet. So that's actually why I am where I am now. I literally just came out here to go for a run just because it's so pretty out here and I needed to clear my head. So I just wanted to like pull you guys aside for a moment and let you know that I am in a little bit of a weird place. I'm just trying to figure out like what my next step is, and obviously living with family is never ideal. I'm a very private person and a very particular person, even though they are so great and they are so gracious and they have been very generous and welcoming, and you know, they're being the best. This is best case scenario, honestly, but it's just a little bit of an adjustment for me personally. So yeah, we're getting through that, but we're gonna figure out something else soon. We have some big dreams that we're working towards, so hopefully I'll have some positive news somewhere in the future. In the meantime, I am working to find some better studio space, just because I can't really do that at his house. So I'm working to find out a better place where I can film and get back on schedule, since now there's like a little bit of a commute. There are just a few weird things going on. So anyways, yes, I will be getting more regular. Please bear with me. This isn't going anywhere. I'm still so excited to do this. But yeah, we're just kind of in a weird place right now. So anyways, just wanted to update you guys. So I love you so much. If there is anyone there, I appreciate you hanging in there. So thank you. I'll be back soon. I actually do have one video that was in queue that I was in the process of editing before all this craziness happened. Will be coming your way soon, just a heads up. Don't think I'm lying to you. I'm not. And then after that, it will be all new and exciting content. So thanks, guys.